I was still streaming on Twitch? No way. Uh, all right. Hello, everybody. First of all, I would like to stop all the. I kind of messed up. So, in the previous stream, I showed my face by mistake, which I am obviously not a big fan of because I'm not a big fan of my face. And so, I just restarted the stream and I hid that Twitch published thing. I hope at least. And now I'm figuring out how am I supposed to restart the stream. Let's go to stream manager. Live is unstable. I'm offline. That's better. Now I click on start. It will say failed. Oh, it didn't. Hello Twitch. What is up? How is everyone? So am I live yet? I am live now. It continued. What the hell? How is that real? That's a lie, right? Oh, I'm actually full screen, but holy shit. That's so hilarious. Oh, I'm actually full screen, but holy. Yep. That's so funny, dude. Anyways, I am live on YouTube and Twitch. Welcome back, everybody. So now we were setting up Seyfert, and I am almost out of breath already. So I needed to Google that how to like unpublish the damn thing because I didn't knew it, dude. I think I've never I've showed my face once more when my mobile fell. Who cares? Anyways, we have a safer.config. We have a TSC config done. We have our npm init done. So what is next? Okay, we need to first of all let me just get on a better spot, a better position. Oh shit, it's so nice. I want to actually take a picture and show it to you guys. Just a second. Yo namakul, yo flame face, man, you are late. If you were on the stream 5 minutes ago, you would have seen my face. I privated that stream, but if you were 5 minutes early, you would have seen my face. You was? Oh, I you better I hope you didn't took a screenshot or something. Anyways, let me just take a picture of the setup so I can show it to you. Just a moment. It's a bit messy, but it's quite cool if you ask me. I see you have seen my face? What the fuck? And dude, there's no way that's cute because I have I don't even trim my beard, right? My beard was last trimmed like a month ago. And when I trim it, I just remove all of the goddamn beard. So my beard is quite weird, so there is no way. Anyways, let me send my picture there. Ooh, I don't really want to. How do I show you guys the setup? Oh, I can show it to you on Discord. Just a second. Like that. Boom, 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 boom. All right. So let me open Discord. College, it is. That's not. I'm not in college yet. It will be from 20 AUGUST. And look at this. So my mobile stand, my laptop, my mic. Don't mind the headphone. I got this as a gift, obviously. Why will I buy that shit? A lot of wires, random mess, and I'm right here, right? I have an which laptop? I'm still on that Dell G15 thing. A 16 GB RAM, 1650 RTX, i5 10th gen. Oh, by the way, cool thing. Let me show you something really funny, dude. I was actually thinking to set up a coffee account because I don't actually remember why I wanted to set it up. Let me think. Why do I wanted to do that? So the thing is, I saw a YouTube video about Patreon versus coffee, and I heard that coffee takes like no money. It takes like $4.50, whereas Patreon takes like 8 or 10% every transaction. So I was like, that's a lot better. Why don't I make my own account? And here we are. I have my own coffee account now. The first event I've started, I don't know if it is called event or donation campaign or whatever. That thing is so bad that I might get cancelled. I might get arrested for that. So I will be in college from next month, hopefully. and I wanted a new lightweight laptop. So I started a goddamn goal for that. And right now, my question is I actually created a post about it. So this is my goal, right? And if I sell or buy, if I sell stuff, if I make money in any way, right? Does that count as a contribution? Well, obviously, nobody, what is it, polled, nobody casted their votes. So here we are. Why don't you guys do it? And, and don't mind the background noises. Yo, Dipesh, what is up? Dipesh, Deep. Okay, that's probably someone else. So now my question is, initially when I was creating this goal, how do I edit it? Oh, I can edit it now. Yeah, so I added a starting amount and a target amount. Actually, my starting amount should be that. Let me save this. So my 33% of the goal is done. Now let's say if I earn $100, should I just edit this and change my... All right, I'm back. So now if I make $100, should I change it to 600? I think that should be like that's how it should work, right? But I'm not sure if this should only include donations. Wait, I think I'm just being dumb. It should work the way I want it to, right? And there are three messages, so let me just read them. 26% of yes, you are right. I actually have 500 in ready to be spent on the laptop. And then how many clients are you getting nowadays for creating bots? I mean, it's not like I get a client daily or on weekly basis. Give me what? Zero, I guess. God damn. But it's kind of like I might have a client from 2 years ago who is still working with me, or I might get two clients in a month. I might get two clients in a week. It's kind of random. I don't really have any. Maybe it is not random. I just don't have enough statistics on it, or maybe I'm just fucking lazy. It's something like that. But yeah, I might need to get my parents' donation here or something. But I think I should be able to get it next month if I think I can ask my dad, right? That's not that bad. But I will not sell my current laptop because Mac OS is the Mac laptops are weird. They don't even have any USB-C. What the fuck is that? Like how will I connect my goddamn Android phone to that? There's no way, right? And I don't really want to take risk of buying a Surface 7 with ARM 64 thing because a lot of people are saying that various kind of things don't work on that. I don't want to take that risk, man. So I will go with M3 Air. And I heard that 8 GB RAM is bad, 16 GB is better. So I will take 16. But then I also heard that India is a hot place. So the M3 Air with no goddamn air cooling system will not work here. But the Pro is too expensive for me, so I guess I will need to work with Air. And yeah, that's my plan. Because I want good battery life. Because when I'm in my goddamn college class, I I cannot use my Dell G15, it will die in like 30 minutes. So that's bad. That's why I will go with that beautiful laptop and hopefully do something fun. But for now, let me set it, save it up, alright. And by the way, Flame Face, when is your next message coming? Oh, don't you guys know you don't ask rich people how much they spend or earn? I didn't ask anybody. Trust me. Did I ask anybody that? I don't think I did. What are you talking about, tech channel? Sorry, test channel. Wait, who are you, test channel? What's up? There is no op. I remember YouTube used to have like view channel. Wait, maybe it is here. How do I view your channel? Channel activity. Whoa. 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 I can see channel activity. UG in house. UG. What does UG mean? Undergraduate gamer? Oh, go to channel. There it is. Hmm. Whoa, your phone number is verified. Awesome. That's great. Anyways, let's get back to Seyfert. Now we have to make a source slash index.ts, and I pasted something wrong. Let's go. So we firstly get the client. This will start the connection. Awesome. That's good to hear. Then I go to safer.config. The bot token should be fine. Unschooled gamer. Oh, I was so close. Ungraduated gamer. That's super close, right? Unschooled. Well, I didn't knew that you were unschooled gamer. Ungraduated gamer is someone else, but damn, I coincidentally guessed something quite close, if you ask me. Anyways, let me check what are the intents that I use in button bot. Intent. What are the intents? God damn it. How do I check the intents? I don't remember. So we need guilds and then we need guild messages. Guild messages, awesome. Now, then we need partials. How do I define partials now? Config.bot. Go to definition, runtime config, and it is blah 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 intents and this shit. Intents, blah 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 blah. Okay, that's weird as fuck. TypeScript is crazy. Now let's see, how do I define goddamn partials? How do I do that? Okay, I will need to read the docs. It's a pain to try new things, but it's quite fun as well. Especially, I don't know if you guys know what Seyfert is. It's a cool Discord JS, sorry. It's a cool Discord API library. And this thing is a lot better, at least in the benchmarks. I've used it a couple of times. It's quite nice if I think so. If I remember it right. I'm not sure. What should I say next? Ooh, so we have source index. Oh, damn, this is such nice CSS. What the fuck? Just a second, guys. Just want to see something. So we have a class directory. Starlight file tree. What the fuck is that? It definitely sounds like a goddamn library or package or something. Let's see what is this about. It's a component. Okay, okay. So we have tabs, items, series, blah blah blah. Can I see like, you know, what is it called? File tree. File tree. Okay. File tree, there it is. So we create a file tree using that. It is created from goddamn markdown. Fucking hell. Header.astro. Wow. Isn't this shit too good? What the fuck? Source components. Damn, this is super nice. My monthly data usage is 153 gigabytes. Can you show yours? How do I check my data uses on Windows? Window taskbar, app history. I remember, fucking hell, imagine using mobile data. I use mobile data as well. Not sure. Let's see. I have a bad feeling that if I will open my Wi-Fi settings, I will show something which I shouldn't be showing. So let me just hide my Holy shit, dude. My mic was gone because I hid my window. That's crazy. Let me see. Wi-Fi usage window 11. How to monitor data usage in window 11? Yes, sir. That's what I want to know. So we go to network and internet. We go to advanced network setting, and then we have working data usage. That's super nice. Well, that was not a public IP address, so it shouldn't be a problem. I guess, yeah. But I will still hide my screen. Just god damn you, flame face. So wow, I have also used 152 gigabytes. That's crazy. Proton VPN used 43 gigs. Brave used 74 gigs. What the fuck, Proton VPN? And Node used 3 gigs as well. And why the fuck BlueStack is taking that much gigabytes? And why the hell Discord is using gigabytes in separate EXEs? Did I change? Maybe it is due to a Discord update. I don't know. We have 3 Discord EXEs. Awesome. Close all of that. So let's get back to work. TypeScript, close that. Wait, I was not supposed to close that one. So we are done with the setup. Let's start from an example now. Oh, oh, that's what you mean. Oh, I will look at the first command for now. So if you are getting any type of error, say declaring module, what's that? This technique is called module augmentation. Seyfert includes several types of client to create instance of a bot. This can create confusion, interface, middlewares, blah blah blah. That's too much TypeScript for me. Let's continue here. So we need to first of all find my code folder, and we create a folder called commands. And we obviously start with something simple. That's called ping.ts. That's the best I can do. So we are using our beautiful, beautiful decorators, and I'm obviously gonna just steal the code. So let's see what's up here. First of all, we get Seyfert. We have command context. We have the goddamn command class itself. And we have the beautiful decorator. So we have the name and description. Then we do ping command, extends command, async run. Now what's your problem, dude? Okay, okay. Now, obviously, I don't know what to do. So I'm just gonna do control O. And by the way, Flame, what are you doing? How can you be so silent? Are you alright, dude? Are you okay? Anyways, meanwhile, let me just find my beautiful. You know what? Let me just go to start from example. Let's open the first one. And oh, this is also a rewrite. That's cool. Now we have to go to source and we look at index.ts. Okay, we look at app slash client. Oh shit. Oh shit, that's a lot of stuff. So we are doing that. Oh, that makes sense. I am doing okay. You are doing some crazy stuff. I will take it as that. So you are getting the parse client from Seyfert. What the fuck is default lang? I don't need default locale. So in the client, I'm not actually updating the client, so I will remove that. And I'm gonna remove that. This is crazy. Let's see. So you were telling me about setting up the project. We have the TypeScript settings, blah 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 blah. Then we go to start from example. We skip that. We go to first command. Now, where was the example of using the types? I definitely, oh, there it is, declaring modules. Okay. So in the declaring module section, we are doing pass client, blah, 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 blah. So I guess we just get the client from Seyfert, and that works now. All right. I don't think I need to edit the client command, sub command, and the middlewares right now, so I will just remove them. Or you know what? I will keep the client because I might need to edit it sometime soon, but I will remove the rest. And then let's move on to the next part. So we go back to setting it up. We have a ping.ts. We firstly describe the name, the description, and then we start doing the stuff. We do context.write, blah 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 blah. Awesome. And then, oh, to test if your commands are working correctly, you first need to publish blah blah blah. Okay, I'll just copy that. I will go to index and I will do this right here. I am pretty sure I will need it. Learn more about command options. Not yet. Let's see, how do we create options? So we have an object hide, create a boolean option. It have a description. Oh, the name comes from here. I remember this. And then we are doing at the rate options option. Okay, that makes sense. You know what? I will use it in the ping command as well. Oh, he's doing that as well. Wow. So we just do at the rate option. Oh shit, at the rate option. Now we need to get options. Then I need to define options, and I'll just do like if formal, and obviously I cannot spell that, so I will do create boolean option. Then we give some data like wanna make the message if formal, and then what else required, obviously not, so I will just remove that option. So we are declaring, we have the options. What happens if I add a semicolon? I guess I'm not supposed to do that. Okay, so what should I do next? Oh, ctx.options.hide. Whoa, look at that. ctx.options.hide. Isn't that beautiful? Apart from the fact that it didn't work, how the hell did he? Oh. I see. That's why we need to use. Okay, that's why we are making a variable. I was like, why are we doing that? That makes sense. Let me change the code real quick. So I'm gonna call it options, and then I'm gonna do const options is equals to that. So now I should be able to do ctx.options.ephemeral. Holy shit. And we can even do this question mark question mark. Holy shit, this is such a, so let me, if you guys don't know what this thing does is, so let's say, let me show you with an example. So let's say we have a function with some prop or a parameter, and if you want to do something like if the property doesn't exist, then property is equals to default value, right? So another way of doing this thing can be prop is equals to prop question mark default value. So what this will do is, actually if the property doesn't exist, then we will use the default value, otherwise we will use the prop. And now instead of all of that, we can just do question mark equals to. That's quite nice. And let me undo all of that cause I don't need it. And shouldn't I do all of this in like this section? Let me get the parse client, and let me remove the client and parse client from there. We have it already. Ping blah 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 if formal. And let's see if we have the formal option here. We don't. We have flags, and that will be, oh, holy shit, we have numbers. So flags will be message flags dot informal. Otherwise message flags dot, what the fuck is a urgent message flag? um I guess I can do this. Nope. So what is the other property? Otherwise it can be undefined. Okay, let's do undefined. Now we have ephemeral messages. Well, let's actually try it. Let's go to package.json. I will do a dev and I'm just gonna do node mon space dot space source slash index.ts. Then start will be that, and we can also have a build command. And in the build command, what we are gonna do is obviously first of all make a spelling mistake and just gonna do tsc, and we don't need that. Start blah 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 blah. Now what? I don't know. I am doing npm run dev. Let's see. So, well, that didn't work. No search file or directory. Bot slash this slash commands. If I'm not wrong, um, what the fuck? Okay, so let's do tsc and then we can do npm run start, and this can be dot slash this slash index.ts blah 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 clear and npm run dev. Let's see how that goes. So token is not a string. That is a fucking lie. Well, at least the code started, so that's a good progress. So the token was not a string. They say if value is not string and value is not equal to that, then we give them an error. That means if I go in config, this is the problem. That means you guys need to look at nothing for a moment. So I just verified it. It seems pretty much correct to me. I'm just gonna console.log process.end dot slice 0 comma 3 npm run dev, and let's see how that goes. We should possibly see a console log, and that's undefined. Whoa. Oh, I think that's because I never did npmi.m. Now what I need to do is import .n slash config, and that should do the trick. npm run dev. So most likely this will fix everything, unless I'm still doing something wrong, which I didn't, because the command handler was loaded. We got the string, so that's good progress. And I just realized a little mistake. Let me just hide my screen again. All right, so I just fixed that. Now we should be able to run it. So command handler was loaded. RAM usage is at 57.88 megabytes. Let's see. I'm still waiting. So command handler is loaded. What will happen next? Not sure. Should I ask for help here? Should I just wait? I guess I will go the waiting route. And also, let me just test something real quick. So, weird. Um, just a moment, everybody. So the issue is resolved now, and we should be good to get back to work. Now, firstly, we are stuck at command handler loaded. That's not a good thing to see. But what we are gonna do is we will reload this section. I mean, reload Discord, not that section, and then see if the slash ping command is added or not. And if it is added by any chance, then we will try running it. We will do slash ping. I don't. I think this is the one. Let's make it a formal. So that is working. Now the question is, why do we have two slash ping commands? I think one of them is guild based. I don't think Seyfert did that, so it's all right. So as you guys can see, now we can create a simple command. We can add options. We don't know how to do event handlers yet, so let's get back to the documentation. Now we have first command. We did this already. Let's move to listening to Discord events. So then we have location of dist commands. Events is events. All right, let's see. Source commands. Let's make a folder and call it events. Then what is next? So we have a bot ready. We do run bracket user comma client. Okay, that's interesting. What is next? We have a guild delete event. You know what? Let's start by copying a simple event. So we have ready.js. I will like that. Let's see. I'm gonna make a new function called ready.ts, and we need to steal some code from their bot ready section. And then firstly, the name is bot ready, and it is going to be a once thing. Then we have to do client.logger.info. All right. So what are we doing? First of all, the guy is online. I will do user.tag. Why? Not sure. It just looks cool with the hashtags, right? Then we have to do user.set.presence, run the function. That's odd. User dot presence dot. Okay, that didn't work either. So we have application avatar, decoration, bot. I quickly need to find a different place, so I'm gonna open my mic. Just a moment, everybody. Hello, hello, mic testing. Guess what? I found a spot. I changed the floor right now. Now I'm on the top floor. It's a bit hot in here, but let me check for comments first. Nothing. But just a moment. I'll set it up and then we can get started. All right, I think I'm almost done. I just need to connect my mouse and keyboard because in this floor I have a different setup than the one before, and here I cannot work without the mouse and stuff. I think this is pretty nice, except for the mobile calls. All right, I am feeling quite confident. I think I'm ready to go. Humans, I need to change the position of my mobile phone. My mobile is. God. Okay, that's all right now. What the fuck is. Wait a second. So, everybody, what's up? Welcome me back. What the fuck is this? I have a power bank of this thing, this company, which is like 8 or 7 years old. Will that still work? I'm not sure, right? Let me search for power banks. It is 20,000 mAh. Holy fucking shit, it's 40,000 mAh now. I mean, yeah, it's somewhat like that. This one is a lot cheaper though. Let's get a quick view. 27,000 mAh. Interesting. I'm not buying it though. I already have it. Do power banks work even if you are using them after like 8 years? I hope they fucking do. And you know what? I'm liking this setup. I have a mouse, I have a keyboard, I have everything. Holy shit, this is so nice. So now we have an event. Let's move on to the next event, all right? Let's copy paste that. I'm gonna call it guild lead. So what are we supposed to do? We are supposed to see what we used to do. We have to go on guild delete. I am doing client.error hook.send. Interesting. That is obviously not going to work. First of all, guild delete. And in the run, we have I will assume guild. Now what the hell is this? Okay. Guild.id is the only thing we have. That's super interesting. Do we not have embed builder or some? I think it might be just new embed. That's possible. Yep. That's set color, set title. I wish we had more information about the guild. API unavailable guild or guild. If guild dot okay. API okay, god damn you. Guild. Alright. If guild is an instance of guild, then we do this, and we do that. Client, what the fuck is client? Client. Now let's see. Guild dot. Wonderful, wonderful. Now what are we gonna do? What are we gonna do? Let m const embed is equals to new embed, and I will like to control X that, embed this, then I'm gonna do this and that. Instead of new embed, we're gonna do embed, and here we're just gonna do ID, and that's it. Now we need to define the error hook. All right, everybody. You might be wondering, how do we do that? I am wondering the same thing, dude. So we first of all go here. We will be like, error hook is a goddamn web hook. Web hook. So what's the problem now? So lead, edit, fetch, guild, message, URL. How do I send it? Holy shit, man. So we need to search for webhook. You know what? I just go to this guy. How to send webhook message using Seyfert. Show me how, Codium, my savior. Oh, it's supposed to be a webhook client, not a webhook itself. Apologies. We don't have anything called webhook client. What the fuck do you mean? Webhook, write message. Okay, let's try something. You know what? Let's try something. I'm gonna do this. Client dot webhook retrieve get fetch. Then I give what? The webhook ID and the token underscore token. Um, you know what, everybody? Let me do this. Dot then hook is equals to hook dot send. I cannot do dot send. What the fuck? Can I do dot post or something? I can't. Client dot error hook is equals to hook. Well, that's interesting progress, I will say. Another question will be, what the fuck am I supposed to do next? Um, 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 I only say a class of webhook, and that doesn't have any send function. What's up, Podium? Why are you lying to me? What's wrong with you? So there is, holy shit, webhook client class. What the fuck, man? All right, let's see what is the response now. You know what? Ah, let's see. What's the problem? Property send does not exist on type web. All right. Let's see what's up now. What do you think? Where do the, where are you getting webhook client from? Dude, this guy is lying like crazy. Like, what the fuck is that? What the fuck? Let's search webhook. Uh, 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 uh. Oh, this guy's already doing that. Interesting. Well, error webhooks. How even when it was a message error? Click that. What does that mean? Reply. I don't want to reply. You know what? Let's look into some other stuff. Client dot reply dot write. No. Dot reply. Dot webhooks. Dot post. No. Create, delete message, edit message, write message. Okay. Now we need a webhook ID and token and then the goddamn body. That's so wonderful. You should have told me that before, right? I'm gonna control X all of that. We will do this. Then what I'm gonna do is line dot error hook dot id client dot error hook dot token, and that is real. Now you don't want a username? Who cares? What do you want here? You need a body. Is that all right? Can I give the username here? Server logger. Awesome. So that's good progress. We can actually do it now. It's well, I see. I just defeated AI just now. That was so awesome. Now I will just go create. I need some music. You know what? We need some goddamn music. You guys don't need to hear that. I forgot to get my earphones. God damn. I don't have earphones actually. I was talking about my headphones. Uh, who cares? I don't want music then. I'm not going to a different floor just to listen music. I mean, I might. I don't know. So we do not have a else. So I'm just gonna remove. And then what I'm gonna do is Control X, backspace, Control X. We're gonna Control X and paste. Then we're gonna say joined this beautiful alarm. What the fuck? I have a missed call as well. Holy shit. Oh, I need to call him back soon. Well, we have a guild create event as well. That's amazing. Let's see what is next. So now we can guild create, we can do guild delete. We have two interaction and we have a single message delete as well. Amazing. So I guess let's do a message delete. You know what? Let's copy paste the guild delete, rename that. And then we are gonna do message delete and paste called message. Now what we have to do is message dot. I fucking hate this. So what the fuck is a message? It is a message or ID, channel ID, and blah blah blah. If message is an instance of goddamn message, then we are gonna do all of that. I actually don't care about the client here, so I'm just gonna do message dot components dot code each component. So we are on our row. So what the fuck is this component about? Sub component dot data dot. Fuck is this? How do I get the custom ID of this thing? Dot to JSON dot. I hate this. You know what? Oh man. That's weird actually. That's super weird. Subcomponent is an action row message components dot data dot custom underscore ID. Button component, blah blah blah. I can do Codium explain problem. That's funny. All right, let's try that. Um, I guess need some help. Like this. Let me just copy the whole thing. Like system for ID. Does that exist? And then let's set up some models. So I will do models. I will like to actually copy the whole folder, delete that, close and paste. And of course, I need to search paste, and I will replace this with import model from a schema from goddamn mongoose. Replace it all, and instead of that, we are gonna do export default, and I hope that works. Oh, well, that worked. I was not expecting that. Do I even need a coupon model? I don't think I actually implemented coupons yet. Coupon or coupons, I wonder what this is for. Item model. The fuck is an item? I don't know actually. We have a payment model. We have a fucking template model as well. That's interesting. And then we have a user model as well. Interesting. Now, in message delete, I want to get the button. I'm gonna rename it to button model. And let's see. Button model dot delete one, and its ID is going to be that. We're gonna add a wait there. I'm gonna make this asynchronous. I'm gonna remove that. So hopefully this works. That's all I can hope. I'm gonna add return. Is it false? False, and just I actually like to use return instead of what. So that should help. Now we have the normal events done. Now I need to worry about some other bullshit. Let's see what is the other bullshit I'm worried about. I need to set up all of these commands, which is a pain in the ass. And let me pick this call up real quick. All right, I'm back. Let's go, everybody. Let me set up my mobile phone again. God damn it. It's 13:31 right now. That's a fucking palindrome of each other. Anyways, so we are Socram approved to use this if check. Let's fucking go, everybody. Let's fucking go. So we have message delete. We have all of that good stuff. Amazing. I love it. I'm a human. What the fuck does that mean? Anyways, so our next, let me actually make a to-do list right now. To do .md. So first of all, we need a basic setup, which is done if I'm not wrong. And as soon as I start, I get another call. I hate myself. And I am gonna hold again. That's beautiful. But anyways, now let's continue the base setup. And I'm not on hold anymore. All right, I'm back once more. I really want to complete the to-do list now. I mean, I have to first of all make the to-do list, then I will complete it. So we have to do the base setup. Then we have to do like it basic events. Then I have to do like mm, button interactions. Then I have to do custom button interactions. And I also need to do like slash commands. So after that, what I need to do is let's see what do I need to do next. Blah blah blah. Classify server. Then we also need to do some caching. I will actually move both of these here. The basic events are already done. So in the commands, we have like admin commands, buttons, general, owner. Is it? Ha! I never finished this, so I guess I will do it in Seyfert. Hopefully. So now we have, let's see, we have pages. For that I have Fastify server. We have utility stuff. So I think this should be it. That's all I need to do. No, that's not it. Set up children clients. And then I guess I just need to test it all. Well, that should be it. Hopefully. Cheap viewers on cut.lykpkrco. Sounds like spam, sounds like a scam. So let's go on to our browser and check it out. And obviously, let's go to goddamn Twitch. How do I report that? Do we actually have to report that? That's also the question. Enter that. So what is cut.loi? Let's find out. Hmm. Interesting. myedgepay.com. Okay. We are on some payment site. Probably. What do I do? What do I do? Chat settings. Let's see. Show more icons. Yes. Model connection. Blah blah blah. Chat appearance. That's all right. What else? Pause chat. Delete messages. Blah 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 blah. Shield mode. I don't know what that is. And why the hell this thing is not loading, dude? Your scam link is broken. What the fuck? What the fuck, BHRI3MK? What's wrong with you? Can't you even scam us properly? God damn it. I can warn you, I can time out you, I can ban you. I think I should just ban him, right? Or maybe I should give him a chance to reply. If he is still watching, that is. Let's use this guy. Ooh, he's an old user. Scamming. Why? And now I'm unable to fetch account. Your account got banned just because I warned you? Well, get banned from here as well then. And let's get back to work. So now we have a to-do list, as you guys can see. Now I will start with setting up a basic server. I'm gonna make a file called server.ts. What the fuck should I do then? I guess I would like to do import dot slash server. That should be it. Now, how do we set up a server, you might ask? Well, don't ask me, dude. Let me think about it. I will need to start by doing npm I fastify. My brightness is low, I think. I'm not able to see the screen that properly. Oh shit, there was a lot of dust on it. Now, firstly, import fastify from fastify. And let's see what I was providing in my previous server index. So we have like a guilds route, authentication. We have all sort of random stuff. I don't think I need to do this. So let's see. So const app is equals to fastify. Okay. And I think I need a package called fastify course, if that's what it is called. Fastify course, and then I'm going to call it course, and then I'm going to do app dot register maybe. Origin should be like, I think it can be an array, right? So it will be bb.crazyss.com. Otherwise, I allow localhost. Should I allow localhost 3000? I think I should. What else can we do? I don't care. App register. Then let's simple something like that. Response dot status dot send to, and I don't care about the request. And then I can just do app dot listen The code will be like 3031, and then the post can be that. So we don't have Fastify codes yet. Oh, I should use this instead. As you wish, kind sir. Let me use that instead. Awesome. And then let me do npm. By the way, do you guys know that installs prefix is un? Long ago, I used to wish that install had a short form, and it did. I just didn't knew that. But now we know. I mean, I know it since few months, so it's old news now. And I will set up these simple files in which I'm just literally transferring the user to the Krazy SS for showing them the static files. And so I will change the request with that. Send this, send. Why the fuck it is send file? It should be send. What's wrong with me? If somebody wants to go to home or commands, blah blah blah, awesome. And why are we not using semicolons? What's wrong with me? So now we have some simple things. We have all of that. Amazing. We have this thing as well. And we have another. I hate this. Yo, Magma Bits. How are you doing? What is up? And you have an amazing timing because as soon as I was done with the mobile call, you messaged me. I mean, he, you typed in the chat or something. I'm good. You're good. That's good to hear. And look at the latency. It's so quick. I just said, "How are you?" and I was thinking, and you have the response. Amazing. Thank you to it. And you are good. That's good to hear. Now I'm bad, so I need to actually become good real quick. So I think I have a bit of sunlight from the left and from behind, so I can't really see my screen that well. Okay, I can see it well now. Awesome. So we were setting up Fastify. We have the default pages. Awesome. We have this. Awesome. So what is next? What are we doing? So first of all, you are trying, and second of all, I have a bot called Button Bot, which you probably know about. I hope you all should use the support. Wait, where is support channel? God damn it! Oh, that's it. Nah, that needs a damn code. Don't wanna make one for each random query. Or is it okay? Anyways, now let's get back to what we were doing. So I have a bot called Button Bot, which lets you make buttons and embed and stuff, right? So that thing is made with Discord.js. And Discord.js, all right, is good. It helped me since whenever I'm programming Discord bots. So it's awesome. As you can see, I can click manage and I can do all sort of random stuff. But button bot, yes, but it have some problems. Like in button bot, I have a feature where like you can give me a lot of money so I can buy random bullshit, and then you get a custom bot which have a star right now because this is in beta. So the thing is, what was the thing to? Yes. So the thing is, when I actually host this thing with my program with my Discord JS, what my code does is, and it's actually a good time to open Excali draw. So what is happening is, oh, by the way, soon I will have a buy with UPI option for Indians. Now, what actually happens is I have my Discord. What the fuck just happened? Yeah. So I have my main bot. It's called Button Bot, right? Let me say Button Bot main. So we have this thing, right? This beautiful thing. How do I center the text? Awesome. So we have this beautiful thing, Button Bot. So whenever this thing is started, what it will do is it will create more instances of thingies. Now, how do I tell you what a thing is? Let me just copy paste that, put it there, click on 7, dot, 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 click on 4 again. That's 3 actually, and that. So we will make more bot instances. Now, premium 1 and holy shit, how do I move that? 8 premium 2. Sorry, premium N. So pretty much it will log in through all of the goddamn bots which we have. But Discord have API rate limits. Everything is on the same IP, and yeah, it is kind of fucked, to be honest, right? It's on the same IP, so it is kind of fucked. And the bots sometimes do some weird stuff. Like it will say bot is logged in, but when I will try to actually use the bot, it will not work. Some weird nonsense stuff. So now I'm actually shifting it to Seyfert so that this mess doesn't cause me any problem. Hopefully. And also Seyfert have a better RAM usage. If you will go to Seyfert slash benchmarks, you can check that out there. That is not good. We love Excalibur. Yes, Excalibur is beautiful. And this is not good. I think you are right. And by the way, this is Seyfert. It have like a very good RAM usage. This is Discord.js, kind of bad RAM usage. Anyways, So I think this is probably not the best idea, especially because of IP rate limiting. That will fuck me up. So I have another option. That is, I go to my local ISP and I ask the guy to give me some goddamn static IPs. How do I type that? Static IPs. I need them static IPs. But I am not sure how do I do that. I think I can pay them like couple of dollars per IP and then hopefully get it. Then I can use Docker to make like containers with different IP. So this is my future plan, or this is my next step, I will say. And right now I'm using OVH, and they sell IPs for $2 as well. So I might buy like 3, 4 IPs from them, and then make some chunks. Like for example, chunks. So first one can have like the main bot, comma like I don't know, man, 2 custom bots. Then we can have like 5 custom bot each chunk or something. We can do something like that, I'm assuming. Or maybe instead of, or what I can do is I can just buy a lot of small VPS if that is cheaper, which most likely it isn't. Buy a lot of small VPS and then each have a piece of code which somehow runs like 5 or X number of bots. So this way, it should probably save myself from the IP issue. And I think Discord JS in general have issue handling multiple connections. So I definitely need, so I definitely think I need to change to Seyfert. And if you have any other suggestion, I will probably give them a look. And if I can actually implement them, I might do that as well. Yay. And by the way, there is another thing. I actually created that issue here. So what I understand is, well, that guy also suggested me to use Docker. I'll probably do that. Oh shit! I'm streaming Discord JS to Seyfert live. Holy shit. Anyways, and then Socram, who is probably the main dev right now. I'm not sure who is the main contributor. I think Socram 3 and there was another guy. So these guys are the main contributors, if I'm not wrong. And he is most likely going to make some changes to stop such shortcomings. So I guess I will just wait and someday I will do like one upgrade and I will get, sorry, I will just do like one install Seyfert at the rate latest and my issues will be fixed. Apart from that, he also gave me a simple example of how we want to do things. All right, I might do this. I don't know. What the fuck is a worker manager? Anyways, actually, let me just copy this code. I might need it in future. I haven't coded about in years. Damn, what are you doing nowadays? What are you doing nowadays? It's called Soccer multi example.ts space. So what the fuck is that? Token is a string. What's the problem? Object literally only specify the known property. We don't have a property called token. Wow. I guess auth can be token then. Auth can be token. Well, I was wrong. What the fuck is an auth? It is type string is not a boolean. Query reason. That's weird. That's weird. New API handler. Some token, don't care. Rest manager. Token mode is threads. Path is that. Code shards is that. Manager.start. Start. And then we have bot tokens, create event, bot ready, blah blah blah. Well, yeah, some random stuff. We are working on a card game right now. What kind of card game? Actually, I am getting some flashbacks. I am getting some flesh back. I don't remember his name. I actually remember trying to make a card game with someone. I just cannot remember the names. I will actually look at my repositories and hopefully find it. We go to repositories, then we go card game. Okay, we don't have that. What was his name? And oh, I think it's an organization. Just a moment, humans. We are yeah, there it is. Jinshin Lab. TJ, yes, TJ, there he is. It's like Yu-Gi-Oh! That sounds like a lot of work. How are you progressing? How are you progressing at the rate TJ? There he is. Yo, dude. He is offline since years, since fucking 2022. Oh shit. It's been fucking 2 years. I wonder if he's back now. Let's see. When was his last Master for Good? He have no contributions in 2024, none in 2023, and a few in 2022. So he's offline since then. I'm not sure what happened to DJ. I'm just looking forward to talking to him once more, but I don't know, man. He is gone since like years. But anyways, let's get back to your Yu-Gi-Oh cards. Oh, what's that? Add to block. Oh, interesting. I remember that option. Where was I supposed to go? Where was I supposed to go? PJ. Okay, let's see. Man. I actually coded that a bit. I wonder when he will be back. Anyways, what was he doing? Await children. And how are we creating a children? We are doing proxy.gateway.bot.get manager. Let me ask him. Let me ask something to my guy here. By the way, that proxy is very. It will take children client to because gateway infos dot cat function doesn't take token param. Alright, let's wait for his response. I wonder what happened to you. Are you probably getting some links? Wait, is it going to be a website? Then that sounds like even more work. That seems interesting. It is ready on shard. Oh, let me also eat some food meanwhile. Food. I will fucking kill you. God damn it. Oh, you even created a way to spray. That's right. So when will you send me the URL? Ah, so I actually ate red chili by mistake, and I kind of regret that. Let me control X that. I think I might need to get some water now. What the fuck? No, I don't want to do that. That is a waste of time. Easy stuff, less easy stuff. I think I will probably. There you go. Let's see. Let me eat a bit more. So let me chew first so that I don't All right. So we have a beautiful pixelated font, first of all, and I'm already dying. I need to eat a bit more curd. Just a moment. Ah, improvement. Let me eat a bit more. Okay. So we have catalyst TCG. TCG probably stands for something cool, which you will hopefully let us know. Now, experience the thrill of catalyst, a customized online trading game. Go adapt to your opponent's tactics and claim victory. Are you ready to ignite the battleship? Sorry, battlefield. So, firstly, I need to give my username. That will be. Come on, man. You don't want me to use spaces. That's sad. Shishui Sama. I will use this email and let's join the waitlist. What happens if I click on this thing again? Oh, that was smooth. I'm just going to test something. No offense intended, no harm intended. Do you have rate limits? Okay, I will not do it. I was thinking to do a infinite while loop of clicking on the button, but I think that's evil. I will not do that. I can support you on coffee. Why didn't they buy coffee.com? Why? Who the fuck owns coffee.com? Nobody. All right. And let's check out the coffee.com. You are a magma. You can. Might upload a updated version of admin. What's that now? Okay, I think it's a Minecraft mod. I don't know anything about Minecraft apart from using T launcher. I don't have rate limits because yes, you don't know how. I mean, a simple thing will be like to just save when was the last request. If it was like 500 milliseconds ago, just say fuck you. I'm not responding to you. Or you can use some fancy package. I'm pretty sure if I will search npm fastify rate limits, there will be a package. See, there are two packages. There are three packages. Holy shit. Let's see. So we can do fastify register maximum in a time window. And then see that's it. If you are using fastify, but you are probably what are you using to what are you using for your backend? I'm using Next.js. Ooh, I think Next.js also has some cool stuff, but I don't know. I have not used Next.js much to be honest, so I can't say. Ah, let's see. What was I doing? I totally forgot. Did you hide your mod or something? Probably. Wait, why do you not have a goal or something? I thought we are supposed to create goals. Like because I just made my coffee account probably like when did I make it? I think I should have it on Twitter. Because as soon as I made my coffee account, I was asked to upload it on Twitter, otherwise they will kill me. What the fuck is in my suggestions? How do I open my profile? So I have 492 posts. See, I just started my coffee page. Okay, I started it on 23. Okay, that's yesterday. All right. If I click that, I should. I don't want to actually open my coffee. It's a very bad page. But for now, the best I can say is the font looks good. I wonder what happens. Like if you accept me in the wait list, and if I will reload, will I actually enter a game or something? What will happen? Wait. Ah, I didn't mean to spam. Interesting. 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 Let me know if I can try it someday, hopefully. And by the way, while we are at it, do you guys have any good color suggestion? Like, I need a good gray. I was thinking to use titanium hex color, but darker. Like, this is not dark enough actually. Where is it? Color picker? paste the hex code here. Hashtag paste. So as you can see, this is not actually dark enough, so I will probably like here. That's probably dark enough. I'm not sure. I'm not good with colors, right? Let me right click, inspect, div. So can I choose your background fucking color? How do I do that? Ring color. How do I choose background color? Background dash color. Ooh, there it is. So if I change that to copy, where was I changing it? Yeah, hashtag this. Well, that's actually better. It looks more live, don't you think so? Do you think this is nice? I think it's lovely. Let me just change everything. I love colors. Once I'm done with the page, for sure. That sounds interesting. And you love colors, then I guess you are the right person to talk to because I have no fucking idea about colors, right? Like you can probably see the website and say, I mean, wait a second. These colors are not horrible. They are all right, but it looks better. Yeah, it looks better. By the way, I have no idea what IMO means. A lot of people use it, but I never Googled it. So, in your opinion, all right. And I think I need, you know what? Should I do it right now? Ah, this is killing me. What should I do? Okay, I will change it right now. Fuck this. Control Shift 10. Let me open my front end. Front end, bang. And then I do what? I go to my assets. I have a query now. I will need to go to my component. Then I will need to find my feature section. So we are using wave gray 600 and 800. I think I need to edit the 600 one. Wave gray 600. And instead of 2D, 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 I'll use 79. No, I think I probably need to use 39, 39. 39. Let's go to dark. All see, yeah, 39, 39. And then what just happened? 39, 39, 39. Now we need to go back to where we were. We should be using background color instead of 2D 2D. I'll do that. And then I will also need to look for autoplay. Autoplay is true. Where else are we using the video tag? Autoplay should be true for everything. Why is it not? I don't know. Anyways, so we have a better background color. Let's run this code and see how it is looking. npm run dev. I added theming to my portfolio. Holy shit, you are crazy. So do you think the text is a bit too big? Maybe it is for mobile right now. Uh, 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 uh. Okay, that looks awesome. So we have magma bits. We have about me. I definitely think something is up. I think it feels like everything is scaled a bit. Maybe I have zoomed in or something. It will look nice if it was this size and this text was bigger and there was less line height. Can you sorry, IMO. I think the text sizes and stuff is a bit too much. Button is in the corner. Oh, I just saw it. Nah, text is okay. Oops. Okay, I think then it is just me. I just have a different way of colors. I don't know. Let's actually look at the themes then. I will need to zoom in a bit. Monochrome. Monochrome means like single color. Okay. Monochrome reverse. This looks a lot better. Monochrome reverse looks awesome, I will say. Actually, this size, like 67% zoom, looks awesome if you ask me. Like, just look at it. Doesn't it look awesome? Come on. Come on. Doesn't it look awesome, man? Holy shit, it gives me a bit of Spotify vibe as well. Look at mountains. That's all right. I mean, I am more of a dark color guy. Twilight seems quite cool. Which one is better, Twilight or Brimstone? Twilight, Brimstone. That's a hard one. Forest, I'm not a big fan of. I personally like monochrome reverse and Brimstone and Twilight. Crazy, you have fucking themes. Holy shit, man, that's nice. Definitely stealable, beautiful design idea. And wait a second, I think 50% is better. Nah, this is maybe 55 will be better. It looks good. Yeah, it looks pretty beautiful if I have like 60% zoom. I mean, it looks nice in 100% as well, but it is just, it just feels like a lot of text if I have everything zoomed that much. But now if I'm at this position, it feels better. I might, the only difference I might want is, let's see. So we have text. Let's add some stuff, right? Maximum width like 50 RAM, justify content, justify content. I don't know. There is another thing which like aligns the text, I guess. Align content. I don't know what it is called to be honest. Let me increase the maximum width though. 60 maybe. And probably I might increase the font size a bit. It looks awesome somehow. You want to see my portfolio? That's a bit, it's a bit weird. Oh, Greek mythology. I especially like the story of Prometheus. Music is yet another hobby. Interesting. You are doing a lot of stuff: photography, music, and reading. That's interesting. I made this portfolio in probably 2021 or 2022. I'm not sure. It is not bad yet. I mean, it is bad, but it is not bad yet. All right. Don't mind the weird animation. It's all right. Our cool little Poppins font, a lot of zoomed in text, emojis because I like emojis, I guess, and my skills, my other skills, and it's not. It's weird, but and the sorry, and the hover animation is crazy weird. It's awful, and the image is synced to your Discord PFP. Oh, where? Let me open that. How do I open that? Where is your PFP? Oh, this one. Let's see. Let's find out the truth. It is nice. That's actually a nice detail. And it is, it's okay. No, this is just the beginning. Well, obviously we can hover here and this thing fucking glows. That's just the start. Look at this madness. What the fuck is this grid or flex or whatever the fuck it is? And then we have some deleted images. Look at this hover though. It's quite funny though. I will actually reuse it someday. I used to have like if I will hover on the logo, then it will increase the size, but I think I removed that. I think I should actually remake my portfolio someday. I'm just not sure what to do. Like if I change my image now, it should change. Try it. We should find out. Prove it to us. And also let me see if the colors are changed or not. So I think it's better if you ask me. That's improvement right there. And one more thing, your grid is broken. Yeah, that thing is. You know what? Let's actually see what is my CSS for that code because I don't remember that. Ah, I closed. No, closed by mistake. Okay, let's see. I'm not even sure what I'm using. Like this thing is nothing that crazy. So we have the main container. Let me right click and spell that. So we have a project container, and project container is a display block. What the fuck? Then we have a card container which have a width of. Where am I setting the fucking width? Then we have an image. Where am I setting the width? What the hell? Width is 90%. What about this? Oh wait, it is actually fixed now. So as you can see, I'm not even using flex or grid. I'm just doing something weird somehow. I'm not sure what I'm doing there. What am I doing here? I will close. I'll stop. I changed it. Okay, let's find out if you are lying or not. Uh, Whoa! You were not lying. And that image is like 4K somehow. Wait, is this somewhere of oh, does this happen to you if you click and then your I don't know what that thing is called, like whatever is at the end of our text, this line which blips, does that pop up for you as well? Like if I will click on your image, it will pop up here as you can see, probably. Let me zoom in so you can notice it. You see that? So does that happen to you as well? Like I'm not saying that it is happening on your website. It happens to me. It happens to my browser. I think I fucked some setting up or something. Yeah, that must be it. And this color looks better. Let me try to make it a bit more darker actually. Color picker, and then I switch my hex code to goddamn this, and I make it darker. And we look at that thingy. Yeah, that's a brave thing. All right, brave is being a weirdo. God damn it, brave. Reload, and let's look at it now. Is it actually darker? I don't see the difference. What the fuck? Um, I think I will keep the lighter one. Let me reload. Yeah, I think because it is supposed to be lighter, so let's actually make it lighter. I should use this smart swatch. I don't know what swatch means. Ah, beautiful colors. Oh, fucking hell. Okay, give up. Fucking beautiful, dude. Beautiful. Holy shit, man. Wow, dude. Are you sure about being a human? Because what the fuck? That's crazy. Hmm. I will need to copy that, go to Notion, learn web design, fucking color palette maker, and paste that, mention that. And we have to fucking make all of that bold. Awesome. That's beautiful. I am a human, yes. Yes. You are amazing human, I will say. Because let me show you something. So utility, where is utility? Index.css. Look at that. I was Now I don't need to do this anymore. I just go to fucking search, paste my goddamn color, and let's fucking go. This is beautiful. I am very glad that I live streamed today. Beautiful. Anyways, I think I should work on the next thing which I was about to fix. First of all, let me log in. Oh man, god damn it. I will not log in then. I don't want to start my backend server. Let me just search for my component header. Where is the header? There it is. Index.tsx. Where are you showing the subscribe button? There it is. So let's force it to just show the damn thing because I just want to see the damn thing. Paste. Actually, it will be better if it's on the. So as you can see, it looks pretty nice in dark mode if you ask me. Oh my god. But if we go on the light side, that thing is fucked. So let's see. So I need to make the background a bit darker. I'll try 80. I'll try like removing all of that. That's ugly as fuck. Let's go to search. Holy shit, I don't even need to try this anymore. I just go here, I will click on, I like this, I'll copy that, I'll go back, paste, baby. Look at that. And then I need to think of the text color that will be fucking black. I'll just do 000. Didn't work. That didn't work. Text shadow dash white. Or maybe I'll just remove the text shadow. Text shadow dash gray dash 100 dash 500 dash 800. Is that even working? You can get all the CSS variables too. Oh, I can actually transform it to a CSS variable. I'll try it. But before that, let me remove. I don't see no shadow for some reason. What the fuck? And for some reason, my Tailwind IntelliSense is dead. It doesn't work anymore. I hate my life once in a while. Tailwind, drop. No, I wanted the text shadow. What the hell? Text shadow. Let's search for text shadow. And that's taking a while, so let me eat it. Oh, I'm actually using a plugin for it. Okay. Well, I need to look into that package because I don't remember anything about it. I should have made the plugin myself. Actually, when I used this thing, I didn't know how to make plugins, so I just installed this package. Let's see. Oh, bullshit. I can set the blur. Okay, let's try that and paste. Okay, that's interesting. So let's search for shadow. All right. First of all, we enable the shadow. Instead of MD, we make it SM. That does almost nothing. What about access? That seems all right. Shadow YLG. No. Then we have shadow blur 2. Let's make it fucking 20. 10. Oh, that's actually bad. 5. And then shadow is red. I want it to be white. That worked. Let's try gray 400. Oh, that also worked. Let's try like shadow blur 3 and gray 300. What should I do next? Maybe I should make it a bit darker. Gray 400 slash 80. 50. Will it look like? It seems kind of bad actually. Like if I go in dark mode, it looks super good. It looks super bad. See, colors just not my thing, but that our background. No, don't do that, dude. That was something crazy. When we are hovering, just add like fucking filter contrast something. Dash 110 or something. I don't remember the classes. I want Tailwind IntelliSense to work, but it doesn't. So we need a contrast filter. Just that's not what I searched, bro. Contrast. Come on. There we go. How do we do oh, I bet. Or I can just use a different color. Wow. Contrast 50. You know what? Oh, I actually have to remove filter part. My bad. Ooh, that looks super bad. 90 doesn't exist. Maybe 110 exists. Nope. 125. You are forcing me to do 1.1 then. That seems pretty good. Wow. Awesome. So let's remove the extra space. Let copy this line. Let undo all of this crap. Let's go back. Go here. And we are gonna fix the goddamn subscribe button. Awesome. By default, the tier is going to be 2 from now on. And now we push the changes. Git add dot, git commit, and fix colors, git push origin. Awesome. Now let's actually try to get the CSS variables. So we can get Figma, get CSS variables. Wow. Get a JS object. What's that? Okay. Save as, I don't know what that is. Oh, let me test that. Holy shit. Let's test that. If I am assuming. Oh shit! I am. Oh, that will be a nice looking color palette, I think. Oh shit! I hit red chili again. God damn it. Yo, Groot, what's up, man? What's up, dude? And Figma's taking forever to load. Why does it take that long, dude? What the fuck? Well, well, well. My internet is too slow. Holy shit. That's not good. I don't use Figma to be honest. Um, it looks cool at least. Still Wi-Fi range 1 point. Yep. Still Wi-Fi range is at 1 point. I am in big trouble. Let's stop that. Let's actually close this thing. I need to save internet. Let's see what are we running. PM2LS. So we have OBSTT. That thing doesn't take any internet. This thing takes a bit of it. That's all right. We have BB as well. Uh, BB as well. This thing needs to stay up. That's the major thing. Ah, see, internet is back now. And let me just do PM2C to be safe. Now let's get back to work. So we were doing front end, that's done. I'll close it. I don't care. Then we have, yeah, so let's get back to Seyfert. We were actually changing our Discord.js code to Seyfert. Now we need to handle the post request. So I will simply go to handle vote. Oh, so if somebody will have 100 votes, they will get a free coupon for 29 days. That's nice. Thank you for voting. You have voted for us. And if user is adding a guild, that guild will get stuff. Oh, let's copy that. I'll make a folder called utility. What are you up to today? Today, I am just changing my previous code to a new code base because of some amazing issues there. Just some amazing stuff, to be honest. Very amazing stuff. So we export an async function called handle vote. Your client is going to be a safer client. Request is going to be a fastify request, and response is going to be fastify res. What the fuck is response? Fastify reply. My apologies. Reply. And we are gonna do status dot stand. Body is of type unknown. What the fuck do you mean by that? So request. Let me define the interesting. How am I supposed to do it? So we need user model. We have that. We need a coupon model. We have that as well. And what we are gonna do is if user data and what's the problem, dude? dot use. And then let's put all of that in goddamn brackets. Awesome. Now I need to install npm I create random ID. That's a very simple thing to do. So I've made an npm package of that so I can use it. Yeah, that's it. Of course, client.users.fetch. Actually, let me do if user. I cannot do user.send. God damn it. I will need to figure that out. Request is just request. Oh, so that will be like the default HTTP request, right? I'm using Fasterpass, so I think it will be safer that way. Let me try just request though. Oh, this thing is angry. I'll get back to Fasterpass request. Ah, god damn. Let's import. Holy shit. Let's import ms. You can create a random ID with script as far as I know. You are actually right. I can do that. But do you want to know? It is Fastify. It is not Express. And I will need to open a browser. Which one should I open? I'll open this one. I'll open that. Let me show you something nice. Create random ID. And obviously, it will not show my npm package because my luck is bad. But I'll just open that one and I'll change the name to this. So this is create random ID. Wait a second. Why does it say published 3 years ago? Oh, it is still in beta. What the fuck is wrong with me? So actually use 2.0.0.0. Version 1 is trash. I mean, it's not trash. So in version 2, what I'm doing is, why the fuck I do not have my GitHub connected to that? What is wrong with me? What am I? Whoops, UUID. We can use UUID as well. Or we can just use crypto npm package like you said. I think I'm using that package. Thanks to null. Create random ID. It's supposed to be a repository. Why are you not showing the exact matches? I mean, I guess my repository is just not popular enough to show up. No problem. Oh, actually, it is called random ID. My bad. God damn it. God damn this. Random. Create. Yeah, it's called create ID. What the fuck, dude? I need to rename that. So, in this thing, I'm not sure which one is TypeScript. Okay. What the fuck is wrong with the folder names? So what I'm doing here is in index.ts, we are doing crypto.js. And what we are doing is, what the fuck is with this indenting? And what we are doing is, yeah, I'm actually just using crypto for creating a random array. So I guess it's actually random now. Oh, you have your own now. Yeah, I just use this one and I need to install the beta. I hope the beta works. Looking forward to it. And let me import ms prettify. And if you guys use ms instead of ms prettify, why do you do that? Look at this beautiful npm package. And it's going to take forever to load, of course. Look at this. Look at this. Isn't this beautiful? It is. Just you. Wait a second. Do we have an issue in ms prettify? I didn't knew that. We have an issue actually. I never fixed that. What the fuck? The interface types which contain the option typing isn't included. I also noticed export of default is a value like timer of the actual default. I don't know. I'll write it in my sticky notes. Where is other fix? Weird. I should actually start looking at issues more. I'm dumb. Anyways, we were looking into random ID. Now I can also do this. Yep. I like to do that actually. And what's your problem? Then I guess I can do this. Amazing. So clients dot not guild dot get fetch. And I'm assuming it's a promise. Okay, it can be a promise, so I will use a wait to be safe. What the fuck is client dot database? It's not defined yet. Get month identifier. I mean own package. You don't even know how to create NV. It's like just let me think about it. Give me a moment. Uh uh get month identifier. I'll define a function below. That bullshit code function. Get month identifier. It is not hard. You just need to npm init, give it a name and stuff, and then just run a command called npm publish, and you are done. Trust me, that's it. Nothing more and nothing less. Now I need to look into this. Oh, shit. Month identifier thing. If that's what we do. Copy that, paste that. Simple as that. Now I need to define client.database as well. I'm gonna do database will be a map. For now, string comma any. I will do this later. Let me just add a to do. So that actually fixed it. Wow, did it? Handle vote. What the fuck is a client? Fucking hell. Function setup server lion. Need to remove the imports. Then I'll just do export default. And then what I'm gonna do is import setup server from there. And then we are gonna do setup server with the client. Amazing. Just need to fix a couple more issues and then we are good. And let's get back. I'm gonna try it. Yeah, you should try it. It is not hard at all. It's pretty easy actually. You can like run couple of commands, like two commands, npm init and npm publish, and you are done. You don't even need to put any code there, but don't spam it. npm will not like that. But you should definitely give it a shot, man. Let's write a message. Channel ID is going to be channel.id. That is if channel exists. And then let me just control X that, comma, data. Sorry. What do you want? Oh, you just want data? Apologies. You can have data. So that is fixed. Now let's, how do I send it to user? I think I can do this. If user exists, we can say DM channel is equals to await user dot DM dot catch is equals to null. And if DM channel, then we are gonna do client dot messages dot write DM channel dot ID comma that. So let's get this thing Socrum approved as well. Discord, we're going to Seyfert. How do I get Seyfert? There it is. What the fuck? Don't do that. Discord API library. Oh, this is good. This is not available. One word story. Let hello. Anyways, I am not sure if I should put this here. What the fuck is this? Or here? Where should I do it? Or maybe I'll just not do it. Fuck it. Just not ask. I hope it works. Now we have to actually define the database. How do I do that? Votes needed. Actually, my humans, let me just copy that. Let me scroll down and paste. All right. So handle vote, I'll just delete that. I will do export function decrypt. So we are handling the votes. We are doing all of that bullshit. So we don't need user model, random ID, coupon, NS. We need this stuff. I will put it there. I'll use import and I'll do import all of that from crypto-js and I'm gonna do npm I think we have it as default as well, but I'm not sure where I will be hosting and on which version. So don't you fucking say that you don't have types. Okay, no. Edit types like this, save, tab, enter. So we have all of that. We have embed builder. We don't need embed builder anymore. And I'll worry about the rest later. I'll use Axios, so I'll put Axios. I will install that first. And then we have maximum votes needed and minimum votes needed from constants. So I'll do constants. Yes, put constants here. Here's constants. There it is. Copy that, paste that, boom. And then I'm gonna do export deep. So I'm gonna control X, control V. I'm gonna import all of that from that. What do you mean? Do we not have dot slash constant? We do. What's the problem? Export default. Constants. Will that work? Something is wrong. I will care about that later. Let's get Axios. So now let's worry about this. Constants. Wow. So I should be able to. Why do you hate me? God damn it. I will do this thing at the end. I'll I will const cache nash. Token data is equals to an object with all of that stuff. I'll add a comma and boom. Awesome. Instead of static, I'll just do export async function. Then export async function. Okay, looks pretty nice. And let me look for this dot. So instead of this dot, I'll just do Control Shift L. That awesome. That's nice. Then we have a get token function. I'm just gonna remove that. This is going to be a string. So we are getting that. That looks awesome. This is going to be a string. And this looks awesome. After that, we have the get token function itself. What's your problem, dude? What the fuck? Interesting. That's super interesting. I will comment this function for now. And we need to make a little change. Control Shift L. Control F. Member count is going to be a number. Get month identifier. We already have that. So command is good. For now. Okay, improvement. So if we have type in V, what the fuck is the type of type? Application command type. Command option type. Yeah. Is it a string or is it a number? It's a number. So yes, we paste that. Else, I'm gonna copy that, paste that, and we're just gonna do v dot name straight up. So that hopefully works. I don't know. User ID is going to be a string. Now action row, and instead of button builder, we are just gonna do button. It's awesome. Interaction will be like command interaction. Message is going to be string. That's interesting. Interaction dot user dot username. Why the fuck? If interaction dot channel, if fucking name is in interaction dot channel, I wanna do interaction dot channel dot name. Bullshit. What's your problem, dude? You are pissing me off. If interaction dot channel exists, and what's the problem now? Let channel name is equal to that. Let channel name is equals to an empty that, and then channel name is equals to that. Fucking making me angry somehow. Okay. Why can't I just do this? Why do you bully me? Okay. I think I can probably do this. Like true form give external with group type definition. What the fuck is from guild? I am not sure. Mm-hmm. What do you mean guild doesn't exist? You guys are killing me. Guild is in interaction. Interaction dot guild dot. Damn it. Oh, guild actually doesn't exist. Okay. Guild command interaction. Fuck, fuck everything. Does it exist now? That's crazy. Interaction dot channel. Interesting. Um, let's really make new thing. Try give it optional. What should I try give it optional? I don't think I need this function anymore. I wanna kill myself once in a while, and today is one of those whiles. Anyways, I will open the Seyfert documentation, and that will hopefully help me out. I really, really hope so. Seyfert documentation, please help me out. Dude, there is awesome wind in my area. Lovely. Anyways, let's get started. So we have to look for interaction. You know what? Fuck this, right? Please. What? No. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's progress. Let's progress. It's not an asynchronous function. Who said that? It's a asynchronous function. Right, right, right. And we don't do it. That guild. All right. All right. So we are in a guild. Let the channel name. Blah 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 blah. Amazing. So all of that is fixed now. Now I need to look into this shit. Um. Uh. Let's look into the getting started. Let's look at the components. Introduction. So we have components. Let's build some components. So we do a row, which is a new action row, and then we do dot set components. Okay, let's not do this. Let's not be a bad person. Let's just do dot set components. Paste. All right. So why do you have problem with emoji? Type string is no property API messes component emoji. So what do you want me to do here? Animated ID or name. You bad bird. What's wrong with the label? Oh, sorry. The problem was with emoji. I was like, you want me to create a string object now? Name and progress. Now we have some issues with custom ID underscore ID. All right. We fixed this as well. We have token data. We have some errors here and there. Constant. All right. That's that. Let me remove that. Request.body is a problem and client.database is a problem. No need of that. Let's look into utility dot. Nothing like that has exists. So what are the other problems we have? Request.body. Token.expire at is a number. Don't worry about it. Argument type number or undefined. Just trust it. Or maybe we can do otherwise, like we will assume they have 100 members. Get guild, set guild. Cannot find him, get token. That's all right. E is declared, but its value is never read. Then remove it. Token data is declared. Okay, that's some progress. Now let's actually fix our get token function. Let's see what were the problems here. So I'm not able to do Axios, blah blah blah. Now, why the fuck am I even doing that? Is my question. Who knows? I'm not a smart guy. Let's try this. Well, we are close. It's Control X L backspace paste. So what's the problem with auth username? Oh, that's the problem. Boom. Trust me. Holy shit. That is fixed. That was a bit quicker than I was expecting it to be finished in. Now I just need to set up database caching and then we are almost there. Now I need to see justify body type. So body.user blah blah. Oh, goodness. Let's go to models, put in model. You know what? Export default. I'm gonna do const button model is equal to that. Let's define interface, ID, guild, type, replies, data, and I will like to export it as export button model type. Amazing. Now I need to do it for all of these guys, and that's gonna take forever. Control X. Why the hell paste down? Open model, paste down, terminate, const, open model, listen to that, export interface, open model type, close, open model type. Wow, we're doing it fast. Const, build model is equals to that. Page tracking down, face, to interface, and I'm gonna do guild model. Can I do something different? You know what? Let me try something. Build model dot create. It have a type create anything. All right, makes sense. Then we have item model, and I'm just gonna do item model. Put that. Copy and paste. Control X and paste. And I'll also like to create export interface that I like to use there and amazing. Go to payment model, do the same here. Payment model, payment model is supposed to be that. Export interface. Damn it, why did you fix? Awesome. Ooh, template model as well. Why do I have to do this boring code? Like this code is actually very boring right now. Can I do something better with my life? Like actually making the new system which I was imagining to make. Awesome. User dot model. Let's do that. Paste, control X, backspace, page down. Then I'm gonna do export interface. That's awesome. Then I'm gonna do user model. User model is equals to that. I'm gonna export that as default. Export interface, not user type. It's user model type. Now, finally, we go back here and this body is of type user type. So now let's see how do we actually define that type. Build blah 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 blah. So we do fastify request and then we tell them the body type. All right. The body is going to be of user model type. Sorry, actually it's supposed to be. Where the fuck am I getting the user ID? User ID is actually string. Shit. Are we good now? Any issues? Where the fuck are we getting the arguments? Handle vote. Just get request from a response and just do request from a response. Please work. Don't cry about it. Don't cry about the types, man. Request bodies users string. That did not work. Holy moly, how's that? I guess I need to do this. What's your problem? Let's do request as fastify request. God damn it. Now we just need to set up the client.database and then I'm good. Killed me doing all of that. Okay. So let's explore class for database in which we have like static get guild, which returns like guild model type, which takes the ID. And then we have like set guild will be like type. And you know what? This is going to be a promise. This is going to be a promise. And then what I'm gonna do is I'll go to client. This will be database. Client dot database is equal to new database. Awesome. So now we have more errors. That's surprising. What? Oh, this is super weird. Oh, because that's static. Let's remove the static. That should fix a bit. Database.set guild. TS. Okay, let me ask AI. So I have a type in a update function. I want user to give first parameter, second parameter will be an object which have some or all of properties of the type. Let's see how that works. Because I have no idea how that works. My TypeScript is bad. So we have a partial guild update. Come on, I thought there is some cool way to do it. Like you know, we have omit and then we can omit a type. Maybe we can have like a partial or something. Like partial. I wish we had that. Even I can do something simple. I guess I'll call it partial. Let's go to build model type. I'm gonna copy paste. I'm gonna paste this here. This is going to be optional. All of this is going to be optional. And I'm gonna do bang, bang. So I'm just gonna do what? I'll do return new promise. This or this that paste, paste, progress, progress, progress. So we are close. ID is declared Okay. Whew. Let me take a. Let me eat my remaining rice. Let's see what are we doing here. Holy wow. Let's copy all of that. I like to paste all of that right here. So get guild will be like that. What's the problem? Duplicate function. Oh, my apologies. That guild will be like that. And of course, need to make them asynchronous. Let's get the guild model. So timeouts is going to be a new map of this or timeouts. What's the problem there? Expected one argument. What you got to do? Timeouts.set key and a value. Something seems odd. It should be set time. And let's return a new promise. Resolve is equals to all of that. It will be asynchronous. And then we are just gonna resolve that. All right, so what's your problem now? I guess just trust it. What is your type now? It's a document. Okay, so document. That's not all right. And I'll just do loaded data dot to JSON. Don't you dare bullshit now. Come on, dude, just work. Awesome, it works. Yo, Frame, you had us sleep. Why were you sleeping, dude? You scared me. I thought you were doing some crazy stuff and then you just left. Don't scare me like that, man. That's some deadly stuff, right? That is some deadly stuff, man. So now we are doing all of that bullshit. That's awesome. ID is going to be string. I'm gonna respond back with button model type. Let me import that. Let's copy this, paste that. Let's make it a set timeout. Let's copy that. I'm gonna paste it there. Which was boss? Your mic. What do you mean my mic? Is something wrong? Hello, mic testing 1 2 3. What do you mean, brother? Which was boss? What does that mean? Anyways, I'm able to get button. Bad. My mic is bad. I will need to hear myself. I think I fucked up the settings or something. YouTube Krazy tab. Holy shit! New Year resolution 2025 is up already. Fucking hell. Fucking hell. Right here. So get here will be like. Okay, that's trash. That's radio noise. Let's increase the gain. And am I audible now, my human friends? I really hope I am, otherwise it will be very sad for me. Please fucking work, dude. Come on, play yourself. What the fuck is that? Let's increase the gain. What the fuck? Am I audible now, my human friends? I sound like a fucking goblin, dude. I sound like a fucking goblin. Let me go to properties. Sorry. Filters. Did I fuck something up? I definitely fucked something up. I will need to monitor this. I will need. Mike, I am fucking loud. Hello. Mic testing 1 to 3. It doesn't sound that bad when I'm hearing on my headphone. Why? But my pitch is very low. Did I do some fucking filter weird one? X-Men 3 ridiculous. Low. Mic testing 1 2 3. Mic testing 1 2 3. Mic testing 1. What is the? Hello, hello everybody. Hello everybody. Hello, hello. Mic testing 1 2 3. Mic testing 1 2 3. Hello everybody. I don't know what to say, man, because when I hear myself, it's very weird. By the way, let me. You will hear only one of me now, so you guys should be able to rate my voice a bit better way, I guess. It's really hard to say when I'm hearing myself, and it's fucking loud, dude. I decreased the audio a lot. Okay, it's a bit easier now. I have a good noise suppression, good some gain. I'll decrease that maybe. No, I will not. Then we have 3 band equalizer. Hello. Now better. That's good to know. So I'll increase the high. Uh Expander. I don't know what that does. I don't know what this does. I don't know what this does. Ooh. Well, I hope it works. And I will remove the advanced property. My sounds feel so dry. I don't know what to say. And I'm removing my headphones because I don't really like to wear headphones. They are a pain. But thanks for letting me know. And I'm very glad that it is better now. I hope I don't sound like a goblin. Now, I am confused. Where the fuck am I? Oh, there I am. Let's go back. So we do not know what the fuck is a collection. Does Seyfert have a collection? Guess what? It does have a collection. And what's the problem there? Not all code paths return are valid. You are lying, dude. That's not real. What the fuck is data? Collection will be string from a guild model type. Come on, human. I think that should be button model type actually. And what's your problem there? Oh, a spelling mistake. All right. I was like, what's up with it? So we still have few errors here and there. I'll fix them. That shouldn't be a problem. Actually, let's do RES. I'll do button model. Come on. What's up? Enter. What's wrong with it? All right. Saved data.json. It's for loaded data, my friend. So now my data, okay, the utility is done. Let's go to sudo md. My caching is done. Fastify, less easy stuff is done. Fastify server itself is done. Let me just verify actually. Let me copy that. Actually, let's go back. Index, paste. We need a embed. And let me check what do I do in events, git create, copy that, paste that, and do that. And all of that should be data. Paste. By the way, Flame, are you working on something nowadays? Oh, Did I do something wrong again? Control Shift T. It's called body. All right. Nope. Okay, then how is your college stuff going? Did you decide a college yet? Or your 12th is done, if I'm not wrong. You were doing exams this year, right? JE and Maharashtra exams, state exams. So what's up there? How's it going? Same as yours. You are also joining MIT? What's up? You didn't told me that. What the fuck? In next month. Ah, that's good to hear. I thought you were joining the bad college as well. That would have been sad, man. Now I have done this. Also done utility functions. I just need to. What do I need to do? I just need to do something which I'm not sure what it is. Oh, how do I do partials? Random. Let's not do that. Let's not create the post. I just don't want to make a random post, man. I will just look at the dots. So how are we setting the partials? Maybe we don't need to do that. Um, Let me ask these guys actually. Where is the partials? There it is. So we go here, we go to support, multiple port instance. Let's make random API question. I am thinking to post all questions related to library here in ban, and then it will be typing general question. So do we need to do this in Seyfert? 1, 2, 3 JS paste for the client, and let's get back to work. So now I have to. We have events, we have models, we have utility. Let's work on commands. Let's see what are the commands. We need a owner section for subscription. I actually named that copy. Let's make this file subscription.ts. In general, we have a dashboard command. I will make that dashboard.ts. We have feedback. I will make that as well. Feedback.ts. We have help.ts. We have ping. I don't care about that. We have redeem. I will add that as well. Redeem.ts. We have a subscribe. Let's do that. Subscribe.ts. Subscribe. And we have a vote as well. I'll make that as well. Vote.ts. I'm not gonna make. I will make few of these as well. In admin, we have an admin where we do. Okay, I'll make that. Admin.ts. We have a button.ts. This is just going to be a just ask to use dashboard because I'm going to depreciate the buttons. Embed. Make the embed, but suggest to use dashboard. After that, we need to worry about what? Ticket close, delete, and open. So I'm gonna add components. We need ticket close.ts. take it, delete, close, delete, and open. Then we will have feedback stuff. Do we have anything else? Nope. So these are the things which I need to set up now. These are the commands. Then I need few interaction events as well, right? All right, let's see. Button interaction slash commands, custom button, children clients, and desktop. Seems pretty accurate. Now let's learn about a simple button interaction. Building each component, blah, blah, handling component. This is the beautiful part. First of all, we add the components. Then real quick. Blah, blah, blah. Then we have that. Export default class hello world button extends the feedback. I remember having two of those for some reason here. We have a feedback modal. Feedback reply is actually a command. So it's actually a button. Okay. Feedback modal. And then we have feedback reply. Okay. Now let's just go to, let's say, ticket open. I will call it ticket open button. What's the problem, dude? Ah, not a problem, not a problem. Then we have to add a filter. So I'm gonna do filter, add context. Then you will tell me nope, that's not how it works. So I just copy paste that. So firstly, we need component context. And then we need a run function. All right. That's awesome. And that's it. And I really like the component handler. I'm really glad that these guys implemented it. Love it. Beautiful. Then the next thing is I have actually set it all up. Ah, that's going to be a pain. So I guess I just need to do a few more things. I need to do like a lot more things. Now I need to actually implement these commands. I have the base stuff ready, and then I need to implement the children clients. Then I just need to test it all. This is going to be boring as fuck, so I'm gonna take a break right now. Let's see what is next in my to-do list. The next in my to-do list is to look at the MS35 issue. This is done, that is done. I can actually work on creating my portfolio as well. First of all, let's look into the issue. What the fuck? Let's see. The interface type, which contains the option typing, isn't included. Now, what the fuck are these interfaces in my MS35? I don't know, man. MS35 MS, yeah, whatever. So, what are the interfaces which we have? Interface. Come on, interface option. I'm exporting all of these. That's nice to see. Converter interfaces.d.ts. Export star from dot slash interfaces. Well, git commit to, well, he also asked for one more thing. The interfaces, blah blah blah. That seems all right. Commit sure. export interfaces, get code origin. You know what? What the fuck? Why do I have changes? What the hell is up? Did someone make changes? Hmm. Interesting. Do we have more than one branches? No, we don't. I am not sure. What the fuck is the GitHub workflow? We have a fucking GitHub workflow here. What? Null is doing some crazy stuff. Holy shit. I am. This is weird. What is the version here? 1.4.0 npm. I am confused. What's wrong with my. What's. Something is up with MS-Prettify. MS-Prettify is also on 1.4. I will need to check something in my node modules. I should have MS. Who the fuck installed MS? Anyways, we have a dist utility. We have just a number. Let's resolve in merge editor. Left is my incoming, right is current. Let's see. So math.abs parse float. If jan, then on the same line I'm doing remote process is to I think the one I have locally should do the trick. What the fuck should I do then? Shut man, what the fuck? I regret doing it pull. Super interesting. Okay, so first of all, I'm not even sure if all of this works. So I'm just gonna do PSC. I hope it works. And it doesn't, so all right, let's TSC once more. That worked. Let's do t.js const is equals to require dot. So we have default called ms, and I'm just gonna do console.log ms 60,000. and then I'm gonna do like 1 minute, minute, 2 minutes. Yeah, let's do node space 3. Working here. Cannot find module interfaces. I mean, um, I don't know. Maybe I should remove that and do TSC again and then node T. I will assume this worked. Let's look at that. So we have three numbers. That seems alright. 3 times 1 minute, 3 minute, and yeah, looks alright again. The functions are working pretty much fine. TS export interfaces in JS is 7. What the fuck? Okay. After running PC, I get the error that interfaces not found. Help me out. Wow, that's interesting. Let's actually test it out. Okay, fucking hell, what's wrong? Cannot find module dot dot. Come on, that's a lie. Interfaces.ts. Why the fuck did I call it .d.ts? Fuck you. God damn it. TSC that. Node space T enter. Let's go. Holy shit, that actually worked. Okay. I was not expecting it to work. Node T. That worked somehow. Let's do TSC once more. Let's delete that. Now resolve and merge editor. Complete the merge. Resolve that as well. Complete the merge. I hope that works. Ah, this was a pain in the ass. So I must pretty fine. Whoa! Whoa! Something is happening. Holy moly, checks are happening. God damn, I'm scared. What is happening, guys? There's a fucking action. Which was a success. That's a GG. Now, does this work? Is a good question I've got. I'm gonna change the package.json version to 1.5.0 dash beta. dash 0, and I'm gonna just search 1.5 npm publish tag data and publish tag. I'm not sure if we call it tag or tags. Okay, we call it tag. Publish that because I need to try it out, man. I'm not sure about it yet. Right. So I'm gonna do npm I ms3d5 at the rate beta. Let's hope it works. Let's go to package.json. We have ms3d5. Let's do t.js. I'm gonna do const is to require ms3d5 and I'm gonna get what? I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do console.log ms1h no space t. Fuck this. Not a big deal. That should have worked actually, but I hate myself. That seems alright. Okay. Now let's actually try with TypeScript. And I'm gonna do import from ms3d5 option to return converter flexible blah 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 ms. Wait a second, it's called converter. I am dumb actually. And then I'm just gonna do this default works. Awesome. So let me just delete that. Let's go back, change the version to 1.5.0. Let's go to readme.md, and what I'm gonna do is import ms, and I'm gonna copy paste that, paste, terminate text, and here I'm gonna do ms default is ms require ms. Does this URL work? I am not so sure about that. No, no. So let's see. What the hell is wrong with the browser? Oh, it's actually expired. Right click, server settings, invites. Let me copy my invite URL. Like for example, this one. I love this. Invite people. Edit invite link, expire after never, generate a new link, copy, go back. I don't know who the hell deleted that invite URL. That was such a nice looking URL. Look at that. XYML. And then get a dot, get commit release table, push origin, npm pub. I fucking don't care. Git push origin force. Fuck UCI CD. Fucking hell. npm publish. God damn it. I was like, what's up with this? God damn that. Anyways, we're done. Close that. Reload this beauty. Last published was 2 years ago. Now, oh, there we go. Now, a few seconds ago. Let's go. Whoa, there was a time. What was it? 2024 320. Interesting. Anyways, Pretty5MS is done. Let me tell the guy that it's finally fixed. Hey, Wilco SP. My apologies. Apologies. I can never spell apologies. I'm so dumb. My apologies. It's uh, push. Did I even create it? I am not sure if I fixed it before, but just now I made a new release 1.0. It is for sure waiting all the types. If you still have any issues, you let us know. Copy that. Close as completed. Close it. Let's go. All right. Yo, test channel, what's up? Welcome back to the stream. Welcome back to the stream. Now let me check. How do I check the issues? What the fuck is a course bot? I have a fucking to-do list. I don't remember this shit. I have 40 tasks. Nah. Management bot Discord. Game plan. Fuck that. What the? This is from 2021. Holy shit. Uh, Canceling the updates. Oh, no. Why did I mark it as complete? I'm done. Anyways, let's see. So these are the issues I was created. Assign. What is that? What I mentioned. Is issue. GitHub. Get all issues of your repos. I'm not sure what that filter will be. Interesting. Repositories. Sort. Reason. Watching. I'm done. Let's close all of that. I'm streaming since fucking 3.5 hours. That's awesome. I really want some water, by the way. Uh, 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 uh. Holy shit. That's a lot of stuff. Anyways, let's actually look at what happened to Pretty M. What is it called? MS Pretty. So, my goodness. Joe. Alright. Seems more beautiful. Okay, okay. What do we do next? Let me think. I was supposed to. I think will do that pledge thing. Then I will do that multi-account thing. So that's two. Then I need to work on portfolios. Actually, what I'm thinking to do next is I'm thinking to go on Fiverr.com and look for people who help create, like, not necessarily a portfolio, more like a, what should I call it? Let me just search portfolio first. Portfolio. I'm not sure if that's how we spell it though. Personal interactive PDF portfolio. Let's check what that is. Let's reload. Awesome. So you create interactive portfolios up to 3 pages. Let's see what are these interactive portfolios. So we have a screen recording of real examples we have done. That's not necessarily what I want, but I should disclose it. All right. So what I'm actually thinking of doing is, let's see if this guy had it. Let's open his profile. My gigs. He doesn't have a portfolio. Fiverr.com/user slash portfolio. So you will see that we can have portfolios on Fiverr. So I want to make something like this. I remember someone, yeah, this person. Look at this beautiful portfolio. Like, they are just beautiful and awesome. So I think it shouldn't be that hard to make. I need a nice title. I need a good paragraph explaining whatever the fuck I did. These are the things which only I should know. And then some good screenshots. And the screenshots will be good if the project is good. So I guess I don't need to hire anyone for that. I just need to hire myself. What the fuck am I doing? So that means I'm just lazing around and this thing is actually easy to do. Whoa. All right, I'll do it. Okay, so I know how to do portfolio. Now I need to look into intro videos. Right. Let's go to Fiverr.com again. Let's see some good examples. Intro video. I'm not sure if that's gonna help. We can search via professions now. That's awesome. But we are here for, I will do high quality after effect animated logo into video. That's not necessarily what I want. So I will probably call add, no, okay. I guess I will do the intro video myself as well because that will be easier for me to do. All right, so I guess I will make the intro video myself as well. Then what the hell should I do? Let me go on this one. Portfolios. Intro video. Let's think. Transcript. So we need pledge thing, we need transcript thing. What else do we need? What else do we need? I'm not sure. Pledge, transcript. I'm actually not sure, dude. I can't think. Oh yeah, I actually need to. Yo, Brave, what's up? Long time no see, man. I have not talked to you since 2 months. No, since 1.5 months actually. What's up with you? Are you okay? Finish the Seyfert conversion. So I need to do the Seyfert conversion. Those two are done. I also need to do that XP thing. Just saw your messages. Alive. You are alive. That's good to know because You didn't respond to messages, so I was expecting the worst. Come on, man. You should have at least responded to an ad. What the hell? Anyways, where are you? Are you still out of your home? I guess. Is that what we say? Out of station. Out of station. Yeah, out of station. So I need to do portfolio, then the intro video, and actually, then I can actually work on actual portfolio website thing. And sorry, bro, no problem, man. I'm just saying, what's up? Are you all right? Type of this component, and then what can I do? I can probably spam in Graves DM, but that's not a good thing to do. Oh, actually, you know what? No, I know nothing. I will like to work on something for caching. Maybe I should just use Radish. Should I? I'm not sure. Oh, by the way, yes, I need to try the Docker IP thing. By the way, I think this is a question which you can answer me easily. Do you buy static IPs? How do you buy them? I actually have a host in VPS on OVH Cloud. They sell IP addresses for $2. Should I buy those static IPs, or should I buy from Airtel Extreme or something and then host locally? But hosting locally can be risky as well. I will definitely need to buy a better VPS than, sorry, better router. And sorry, not necessarily better router, but a better plan. Right now I'm on the 40 Mbps one, the cheapest one there. Ugh, total scalability, yeah. They sell additional IPs for $2 per month. Oh, so that's $24 a year. So that is $25 is how much? I'm not sure. I will need to Airtel Extreme or go for local ISP. All right. All right. Because right now I'm hosting some things locally and I definitely need a lot of IPs. Because the issue is I am getting rate limited on my IP address because I have multiple clients running from the same host. So I was thinking of two things. Either I buy a lot of IPs. Congratulations, I just received 100 messages today. Yes. Let me take a screenshot of that. That's a success. That's success right there. Or I just simply buy a lot of 500 megabyte VPS and just, I don't know, and just do that. You seem to be a money. Me poor man. I am looking to buy with, actually I'm not a money. I'm not sure if I can be a money. The thing is, you remember the ad I sent to you? So in this bot thing, what the fuck is this? What the fuck? The wave color is not fixed. Oh, damn it. Anyways, god damn it. Anyways, so I have this premium tier, right? In the premium, I forgot to change the. I hate myself. So I have a custom bot option there. So user will just give their bot token, and I will host their bot as well. That will be like a mini button bot for them. And when I have multiple bots, Discord just bans the IP address for some reason. So yeah, that's it. I'm dead. And I guess I can probably fix it sometime soon. Hopefully, I have a notification. Oh, oh. In this case, checking the project path which I click on it in test or doing. Oh shoot. We'll give it a shot. Ban OP India. What the fuck is that? Uh, so yeah, I was talking about the hosting thing, right? So I will probably, I'm still confused if I should get multiple IPs or wait a second. If IP is going to cost me $2 per month, I can do this. So this thing will cost me $1 per month, and I can buy 10 of these. So if I buy 10 of these, just saw that link. Oh, I see. I see. So if I buy 10 of those, then I have 10 IP addresses for $10 per month. $10 is 800 rupees. I can buy fucking um like 40 mad angles of 20 rupees. I'm not sure, man. What do I do? What do I do? One VP starter is this, maximum of 12 months, blah blah blah. Oh, it ends on 3 September 2024. Holy fuck, this thing is going to end soon. I have 2 months only. Alright. I will need to buy these VPSs soon. Then what? Let me think. 1 DB traffic, blah blah. Okay, let me think. If I buy a IP for $2, I think buying a VPS will be cheaper, but after 1 year, this shit will cost me $4 a month. That can be pretty expensive for me. Unless I just unsubscribe to half of them. No, that is still not good. How does Me6 handle custom bots? What the fuck do they do? I mean, they probably have like 100 IP addresses. Interesting. I wonder. And by the way, let me just fix my SVG color on NPM front end. Somehow I fucked that up. How can I mess up a SVG color? Ah, this sucks. So I go to feature, then I look at 3939, then I go to source, public, wave gray 600. That is okay. I hate browser caching, I guess. Let me copy that, Control Shift and Control V enter. Come on, dude, work. Close that, by the way. I don't have good internet, as you guys can notice. And it's taking a while. Carry on, bro. Yes, sir. I shall carry on. All right, the color is fixed now. Beautiful. Beautiful. Can't understand shit. You don't give me time, kind sir. So how will you understand my shit? When give time? And yes, good luck with your stuff as well, man. What is this? Let me delete these extra files. And let me close that. Bye bye, Graveson. Bye bye. Now the bot is done. So now let me get back to the to-do list I was working on. So I do the portfolios and reviews, pledge thing, transcript, finish. Oh, by the way, are you still here? Do you think that MacBook Air will get hot as fuck in India? What the fuck I'm saying? Like, I won't be using it a lot, but for like normal stuff, does it get hot very quickly? A lot of YouTubers say it doesn't, but they are from Europe, and somebody said I'm from India. India is hot, so it gets fucking hot here. Is that real? Should I ask Podium? Let me try that. Do MacBook Air M3 get hot in India? Let's see if it will even respond to my question. It did respond. Holy shit. In India, temperature can be quite high during the summer months, especially indoors. Just want to handle high temperature, heat. Blah 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 blah. Okay. How to make chocolate cake? Let's go. See, even Codium is telling me how to bake a fucking cake. If I will go to like a new instance of Codium and I will ask him that. Let's see. It will say something like, I am only for programming, blah, 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 blah. Let me show it to you. Just wait for a moment. Okay, it's taking a bit too long. I guess I have bad internet. Let me close. Let me close and restart. And I really hate this. It restarts the whole thing somehow. For some reason, not somehow. What the fuck? It is replying to me. It used to cry about questions like these. How to build a boat. Why? Stop. What's wrong with you? Why is it responding to all of my questions? I don't get it. That doesn't make sense, man. Ooh, crazy stuff. Oh, I should also release a random ID thing, right? I guess. I guess. I'm tired. Let me think. What is. Okay, I guess I just need to stop, drink some water, take a break, and do at least. I won't be able to what? Do at least some of portfolios. Maybe intro video can be done at the end because that's gonna take. Ah, shit. Sent it to the channel. At least I should do these four and then I can move forward. Let's go to Krazy bot, paste that, and let's start living. All right. So everybody, thanks a lot for connecting with me for almost 4 hours. Oh shit, my lag. I don't feel it. I think it's frozen. Anyways, okay, it is coming back. I'm feeling it now. And anyways, thanks a lot for connecting in today. Really appreciate your help. What the fuck is that? Oh, that's interesting. I know this, what this is. Omoshiroi. Omoshiroi. Anyways, thanks a lot everybody for watching. Bye bye test channel and take care. And I'll see you guys hopefully tomorrow. And yeah, that's it.